I am capable of achieving great success. My efforts lead to prosperous outcomes. Success naturally flows to me. Every challenge brings me closer to my goals. I am a magnet for opportunities and success. My mind is focused on achieving remarkable achievements. I possess the qualities needed to be extremely successful. My actions create constant prosperity. I am worthy of success and wealth. Success is my natural state. I am transforming into someone who effortlessly achieves success. My dreams manifest into reality before my eyes. Every day, I'm getting closer to achieving my goals. I attract success by being my authentic self. My potential to succeed is limitless. Obstacles are stepping stones to my success. I am resilient, persistent, and successful. Success and abundance find me wherever I go. I am committed to achieving success in all areas of my life. I am constantly surrounded by opportunities for success. My life is full of abundant success. I have the power to create all the success and prosperity I desire. I wake up every morning ready for a new day of exciting possibilities. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. I thrive under pressure and always turn challenges into opportunities. Success is in my future. I am a successful person. My journey towards success is inspiring. I am dedicated to becoming the most successful version of myself. My actions are intentional and they bring me closer to my goals. I am surrounded by abundance. Every day I live my dream. I am unstoppable in my pursuit of success. I excel in all that I do. Success comes easily to me. I am always headed in the direction of success. My mind is clear, focused, and sharp. I am creating a life of abundance and happiness. I am confident in my ability to succeed. Success is my birthright. I am the architect of my fate. I choose success in my life. I am grateful for my successful endeavors. My life is a reflection of my hard work and dedication. I am fearless in the face of any challenge. Every step I take is one step closer to my ultimate success. I trust my intuition and wisdom to guide me to success. I am making a significant difference with my work. I am in control of my destiny. I have all the resources I need to achieve success. My actions are purposeful and lead to rich rewards. I am a positive force for successful outcomes. Every effort I make adds to my success. I am deserving of success and all it brings. I am constantly evolving into a more successful person. Success flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. I embrace new avenues of income and success. I am worthy of making my dreams come true. My life is a canvas, and I paint it with success. I am unstoppable in my journey towards success.